Hello, my name is Karis, and I'm your personal RemoteCareLive assistant. We are excited that you are using your RemoteCareLive console. This is one in a series of instructional videos that will walk you through the proper use of your telehealth equipment. In this video, we will focus on the use of your blood pressure monitor. Please note that Anelto deploys multiple blood pressure monitors, but they all have one unique feature in that they all function exactly the same. As you will see, everything is fully automated once you begin your reading, and the RemoteCareLive will provide step-by-step instructions along the way. We've made every effort to make the process as simple as possible, so let's get started. You will begin by placing the blood pressure cuff on your arm. It's important to make sure that the hose is placed directly in the center of your arm to make sure the reading is performed successfully. When aligned correctly, this will eliminate any potential reading errors on the monitor. Once you correctly place the blood pressure cuff on your arm, simply press the power button and the RemoteCareLive will immediately respond. All further instructions will come from the RemoteCareLive. Connected to blood pressure monitor. Make sure the inflation hose is centered in the bend of your elbow. Please wait. Your systolic blood pressure is 131. Your diastolic blood pressure is 98. Your pulse rate is 60 beats per minute. Thank you for taking blood pressure reading. It is now time to power off your blood pressure monitor by pressing the blue button.